So I learned the right skills to run an online business properly. And it was as easy as just clicking a link, putting my name and email into a box to get some startup videos. It's ridiculous. Stuart Ross, the co-founder of this big training company, inspired me to learn more about the principles of online business and how to leverage the internet. And I saw how I can take my passion to the internet and make a living there. I was a bit skeptical at first, of course, which is only natural, but I knew deep inside that this was right for me. I want to help you take a shorter path than I did. I meet so many people unhappy with their lives. They're broken down by stress, pressure, and constant feelings of guilt. They're fighting every day to stay on top of their game. And no matter how much they put in, it never seems to be enough. They're feeling insufficient in all parts of life. And I feel these people so bad. I've been there myself. Hey, that's why I started my own company in the first place, to get out of the rat race, to get out of those feelings of guilt and the pressure. I was suffocating, and I couldn't imagine myself doing that for another 20 to 30 years. I wanted freedom so bad. And I'll send anyone who clicks the link somewhere here on this video and enters their name and email the same startup videos, so that they can see for themselves the endless opportunities that are out there, that there is something different out there for everyone. The only way to fail is to give up or not do anything at all. If you don't do anything at all, your life will stay the same. Yes, so anyone resonating with this, just click the link, enter name and email, and I'll send you the startup videos. It's as easy as that. A first step to creating a different life.